Greetings, Crocodile Army. Well, turns out I am just about to head to the airport for Abu Dhabi, United Arab Emirates. So this will be kind of an interesting trip. My first time to the Middle East, my first time to the entire continent of Asia in general. It's actually my fourth continent and my 22nd country. So this will be quite fascinating. A whole different culture. Now, I know in UAE, people consider it kind of the Diet Coke of the Middle East because there are people from all over the world that actually live there, and relatively little of the population is actually Arab at all, though there are some from other Arab countries that go over there to work and that sort of thing. So it's all kind of an interesting melting pot of different cultures. And so I'm going there for work, and I will not be back until March 1st. So I will try to actually do a video from there if I can, and I don't know if I'm sure I'll be able to get some footage, and I might actually be able to upload it while I'm there on my laptop, but we'll see. I'll have a lot going on while I'm there, so we'll find out. Oh, also, I just did 23andMe. Like 6 weeks ago, I sent it in to 23andMe to get my genome sequenced, to figure out who I am. Well, I kind of already knew most of the basics. Turns out I'm 75% reptilian, and I'm closely related to Hitler. Of course, I already knew that. My family has a pretty good idea of where we're all from, more or less. But it was pretty fascinating. When I got the results back, and I just got the Ancestry results back, I checked, and there were all these Finns. Like, I'm a quarter Finn, okay? And I'm a quarter Swede, and the other half is mostly like British, Irish, and maybe a few other things mixed in, but mostly British on that side. But I look at my relative finder results, like 75% of them are Finn, which is funny because it doesn't seem like that would be the case. It would seem like there would be some representation from other places. And I looked at the actual Ancestry percentage, and it has it almost pegged down to the T. It has says 25.4%, literally is what it said, Scandinavian, which would account for the Swedish side. And then like 18 point some percent Finn, and then like several percent British, and then actually some percentage, like 14% French / German or something like that, which I didn't actually even know I had in the family at all. And maybe there's a lot of also unspecified Northern European, so that could be from many different regions in that area, anywhere between the Germany, France, UK, Scandinavia, Finland, all those areas. It could be any portion of that. But anyway, it's very fascinating. In talking to the Finns that I've talked to so far in Relative Finder, they say that it can sometimes be a little bit misleading how closely related you are to some Finns, because it's a relatively small population, and they tend to share a lot of genes. Not so much in the West Virginia sense, if you will, but more in the general sense that there are a lot of different traits that are unique only to them because they have been genetically cut off from their precursors for so long. And those of you that know genealogy or the history of human movement and all of that, where they've been in all through Europe, Finns are actually not at all closely related to Swedes, even though they're right next door to each other. But anyway, that's a topic for a whole other video. So anyhow, I'll be gone for a while, but I will definitely let you know what I find out in terms of genealogy and all that. Hey, maybe some of you Finns are related to me. I don't know. Do the 23andMe thing if you want. But I should be getting paid by them. I've already gotten a few people that have bought the kits just on the basis of what I've said. It's down to $100 now, actually. They just dropped the price in December, so yeah, they should give me a commission, those people. But anyway, I will talk to you soon. Apparently, there are 14 UAE residents in the Crocodile Army. Contact me if you're one of them.